maulan na hapon. Shower blessings po ito. I think this is a good sign, and salamat po, Mayor, kahit na po umuulan, nandito po kayo. We're really honored na maging saksi po kayo dito sa amin na unveiling. Thank you everyone and welcome po dito. Okay, thank you everyone and welcome to this unveiling ceremony.
Sorry. Magiging sige na po.
Pero pag kayo nung sumat, hindi may SMCP. You know, I insisted that I come. At the same time, meron po ako ikakasal dyan sa kay Wilwin. I requested that I be allowed to come as a testimony of how God has blessed our municipality. Siguro malala ni Doktora, when I first came to greet them during the opening of your office sa Santa Rosa. Pati yun, I always say it's a blessing that comes from God. Marami po akong history that our town is so blessed. Not because we are qualified, but because we prayed so long ago. Ang ganda yun po yung pagdadasalin din na nag-iglesia. Siguro, this is a testimony again, another of the miracles that God has been sending the town po. Yung sa Bastana po, napakalaking gratitude po ang gusto kong parating sa inyo, Doktora, kay Engineer. Pinagyayabang ko po ang Bastana. At kung nagyayabang si Longhill, pinagdadasal ko po kayo. Congratulations po at I hope that this is not just the first. Maraming ko po gagawin ang mas na dito kaya na gawin. Maraming po sa kanya.
Ready po? Ready! 1, 2, 3! Mabuhay!